Sure. Here's a scrambled-style YouTube review script for the Jaecoo J7-CHINA 2025, crafted to be approximately 3,000 characters, and delivered without a heading. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the stunning and futuristic world of the Jaecoo J7-CHINA 2025, a luxury EV sedan that's redefining elegance and engineering in the electric vehicle market. Right from the first glance, this machine doesn't just demand attention, it owns it. The glossy ultra-shiny white exterior reflects not only light but pure sophistication. Every angle, every curve, every trim screams innovation and premium craftsmanship. Now, let's talk about the front. The sleek grille-less design gives it the modern EV signature, flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights that look like they were pulled from a sci-fi blueprint. The aerodynamic shaping is more than just aesthetic, it's functional, reducing drag while enhancing range and stability. As you move along the sides, the dynamic waistline flows like liquid metal, seamlessly connecting to the ultra-smooth rear profile. Speaking of the rear, the full-width taillight bar adds a futuristic glow, while the subtle badging reinforces that you're looking at something exclusive, the Jaecoo J7-CHINA 2025. There's no mistaking it. And when that rear trunk opens with a smooth electronic glide, you feel like you're stepping into tomorrow. Let's step inside. The cabin is where this EV truly flexes its luxury status. Minimalist but not empty, sophisticated but not cold. The dashboard is dominated by a massive floating infotainment screen paired with a fully digital instrument cluster. It's fast, intuitive, and looks like something pulled from a concept car. The ambient lighting is customizable, wrapping you in whatever mood you want, from deep blue serenity to electric red excitement. Under the hood, or should we say under the floor, lies the heart of the J7. A high-capacity battery pack powering dual electric motors. Instant torque delivery makes acceleration feel effortless. It's not just fast, it's smooth, silent, and commanding. On paper, it delivers impressive range, and in real-world testing, it gets surprisingly close. That's a win in itself. Safety and tech? Absolutely loaded. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, AI-assisted parking, it's practically impossible to feel out of control. And the auto-drive capabilities? While not fully autonomous, they show just how close we are to the future of mobility. And let's not forget the showroom presence. Picture it, a bright, white luxury space, reflective marble floors, ambient lighting, and this masterpiece parked front and center, with the banner proudly announcing Jaecoo J7-CHINA. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Overall, the Jaecoo J7-CHINA 2025 is bold, elegant, and ahead of its time. Whether you're an EV enthusiast, a luxury lover, or just someone who appreciates brilliant design, this sedan is worth your attention.